So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply glue in tight corners of shoes. Okay. So you see the amount of the glue now. You see it's too thick, it's too wide. So if you are going to apply gum, if you want to apply gum in a very tight corner, maybe there's just a small opening of your shoe right here now. If you want to apply gum, the mouth is too wide, so the glue is actually going to squash on the leather and it's going to spoil the leather. So I want to give you a trick now on how to apply it in very tight corners. So okay, what do you need? So you need a syringe. But from the syringe, what you just need is the needle, just the needle from the syringe, and that's all. So what are we going to do? So you're just going to cut. You're going to cut off the mouth. You're going to cut off the mouth of the glue, like so. Yeah. So you're going to cut it off like so. So when you cut off the mouth of the needle, of the glue rather, like so. So then you pick the needle. And you press it in. You're going to press it in and make sure it's tightened very well. Then you open it and voila, you can start working. So then with this, you see, with this you can penetrate into any tight corner without the glue squashing on the leather. So for example, let's look for one small part here. Okay, so you can, apply it in and you glue it together. So when it gets to the time, the glue starts to clot together. It starts to be blocks off. So what you just need is just to cut off the mouth of the needle, and then you just try to open it well, press it to open it well. Then you keep on using it.